Is the Evergloss Leather review legit or scam? Hello everyone, my name is Mal and in this video I'm gonna say if the Evergloss Leather review is a legit or a scam. So to know, watch this video till the very end. So Evergloss Leather has a mixed reviews with significant concerns about its legitimacy. So here are some key points that prove that the questionable legitimacy. So the website and product have raised red flags such as overly positive reviews, high discounts and lack of company information, which are common indicators of scam. But the customer complaints, like many users have reported issues like receiving counterfeit products, inconsistent quality, and poor customer service as well. And some buyers received the products that were not even branded as Evergloss and described the items as ineffective and sometimes damaging. And also, there are possible scam tactics like the site uses very high discount and limited time offers to lure the customers, and often the customers report receiving nothing or fake products. Additionally, the site appears to the harvest personal and financial information as well. So, given these concerns, it's advisable to be cautious and thoroughly research before purchasing from the Everglass because it might seem like a scam. So, you might want to look for the alternative products which more creditable and reviews better established reputations than Everlip. Evergloss as well. So that's what it is. I hope this video helped you to know. So if this video helped you, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment on the comment section below.